We had such a great time tonight, didn't we? Did you enjoy the party?
Yes, it was incredible. I have never been to a club like that before. It felt so exciting and freeing.
I'm so glad you liked it. You were glowing on the dance floor, like you belonged there.
Oh, stop it, Dimitri. You know I was nervous at first. But you made me feel so comfortable.
Nervous? You? I don't believe it. You were the center of attention out there.
Only because you were with me. You brought out a side of me I didn't know existed.
That's what I wanted. To show you new things, new experiences. You deserve all the fun and happiness in the world, Daria.
You're so sweet, Dimitri. Thank you for everything tonight.
It's nothing. I just wanted to see you smile like that.
You're making me blush again.
Good. You're even more beautiful when you blush.
Dimitri, what happened? Why did you stop the car?
I think there is a problem with the car. Don't worry, I will check it. Stay here.
Okay, but hurry, it's so dark out here.
It's not starting.
What? What do you mean it's not starting? What should we do now?
I don't know yet, but don't worry. We will figure something out.
Dimitri, my mother, she is all alone at home. I need to get back.
I know, Daria. I understand. We will get back as soon as we can. Let's step out and see if we can find help.
But I don't see any houses nearby. It's a forest, Dimitri. Where will we go?
Daria, trust me. We will walk a bit further. There might be a house or someone who can help us.
This is all so wrong. We shouldn't have come out at night. I'm really scared.
Listen to me. I won't let anything happen to you. I promise. You are safe with me.
Okay. I trust you. But let's not go too far.
Don't worry, my love. I will take care of you. Just hold my hand and stay close.
Dimitri! There is a snake! Oh my god, it's right in front of us!
Stay back, Daria. I will handle this.
Dimitri, no! It's dangerous! What are you doing? Don't go near it!
Relax. Don't be scared. I will make sure it doesn't come near us. It's gone now, Daria. You are safe. Don't worry.
Oh, thank God. I was so scared. I thought something would happen to you.
I told you, I wouldn't let anything harm you. You're safe with me.
Who are you? What do you want at this hour?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Dimitri, and this is Daria. Our car broke down in the forest, and we have been walking for a while. Could we stay here for the night?
And who is she to you?
She is my wife. We just got married.
Newlyweds, huh? Alright, come inside. You can't stay out in the forest at this hour. It's not safe.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You can use this room.
Thank you. You are very kind.
It's nothing, dear. But take care of your wife, young man. She is so beautiful.
I will, ma'am.
Good. Rest well. I will see you in the morning.
Why did you tell her I'm your wife?
What's wrong with that? You will be my wife soon enough. It's just the future told a bit early.
Hearing you call me your wife made my heart skip a beat.
Then get used to it. I mean every word of it. You are going to be my wife.
Do you really mean that?
Of course I do. I love you, Daria. I want to spend my life with you.
You have no idea how much that means to me. I love you too.
So, no more questioning why I called you my wife, alright?
Where have you been? Where did you stay last night? And who is this man?
Mom, please forgive me. I was in a big problem last night. I will explain everything, I promise.
Enough. I never thought my daughter would do something like this. I have been worried sick since morning. I searched the whole house for you. And you didn't even take your phone. What is wrong with you?
Madam, I'm sorry. It's not her fault. I took Daria with me.
And who are you?
I'm Dimitri. Daria works in my house. I love her. And she loves me too.
Oh, so you are taking advantage of my innocent daughter. You rich people think you can do whatever you want. You are just using her.
Mom, no, he is not using me. I love him too. Please believe me. I will never do something like this again.
Listen, young man. Stay away from my daughter. You rich people only take advantage of the poor. My daughter will not go to your house again.
Mom, what are you saying? It's not his fault. I agreed to go out with him.